Hop-tu-nie, John Dog. Have you got your tin up yet, Billy? Hop-tu-nie is coming real soon. I've got a few extra for the children. I'll get hollering out with me spoon. Do you take some chopping at, Billy? But the time spent I really enjoy. I've been scraping at tin ups for years, ever since I was just a young boy. The smell of the candles and burnt tin up brings me back till I was a child. Ratching and scratching and eating as well. It still takes me quite a long while. Not like them pumpkins I'm seeing. 2 minutes and the job is near done. I'll be right quick and easy, but I'll tell you, not half as much fun. And what kind of face do you put on it? All smiley and looking right proud, or grumpy and a lot of teeth showing to frighten the rest of the crowd? Going singing round all of the houses, getting money and some a quick bite, gorging on chocolate but keeping the cash and buying fireworks for bonfire night. Wheeling the guy around the village and cadging from all that we see. What wonderful days for us lumpers, was happy as happy could be.